In this tutorial I will show how to get Siri voice on TikTok. So first you need to install two apps from Play Store. Open Play Store and search for Narrator voice. You need to install this app. Next you need to install video editing software. I will suggest to install B612. After installing, open Narrator voice. Here you can type whatever you want to text to speech. Next click on bottom right icon. Click Save. Name it the audio file. Next open B612 app. Here you can select the video you want to add text to speech. Next click Music. Go on Device Music tab. And select the file you saved before on Narrator voice app.
Hi, how are you? Siri here.
Click Use this music. Click Save. Now you can upload the video on TikTok.